Nathan. What are you doing?
Who's that? What's Daddy doing? What's he doing?
Look at you! Whoa!
Who's that? What's Daddy doing? Daddy in his office.
Hey!
Big boy!
Yeah! Ah! Ah!
I've never heard Mom. Oh.
Open the door, Mom.
Oh, we gotta go away? Who's that?
There he is! This is my boy, aren't you? Yes, you are.
His tooth?
No, can't see it. Ah! Ah! Oh!
Okay, I'm leaving.
Okay, bye-bye.
But you know that I'm always gonna come back.
Yeah.
There's your reflection. Ah! There's Mom's reflection too. My son.
What are you doing?
I love Grandma, and Grandpa, and Nonny, and other Grandpa, and everyone in Wisconsin. And
What are you what are you doing?
really, Dad makes me really happy.